if you hear her snoring, she is out in a carrier nap, and so she is a very noisy sleeper. So if you hear her, that is what you hear. But I am so excited for this vlog because we are gonna do some prepping for fall. Today I'm actually going with my mom to go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods, maybe Hobby Lobby. I had already been there a couple weeks ago to look at their fall stuff. I picked up a few things, but they were just starting to roll out their fall like clothes for the babies and stuff like that. And so I'm really excited to go back because I've been seeing videos and it looks like that people are finding a lot of fall stuff there. I really am just browsing today. There's not necessarily anything that I'm in dire need of because I actually have already decorated for fall, which was really, really nice to be able to come home from our beach trip and it already be decorated. So I'm really happy about that. But I've got a fall candle going and it's just been a cozy morning. I made myself a pumpkin spice latte with oat milk and it is so good. My favorite pumpkin creamer is Chobani creamer. So we got some of that, and I actually have changed up a few things in my kitchen already since the decorating video went live, and so I will show you what I changed up. I feel like I always do this, is I will change up my decor like every week because I like it a certain way, but I think I like it the way that I have it. Like I think it's perfect the way it is and I don't need to like add anything. That's exciting. If you look behind me, I also switched up the gallery wall. It used to be different, and I also hung the new artwork that I antiqued behind me, and I love how this is looking. It's looking so cute. I just love a sweet little gallery wall, and I feel like this is at a good spot where it's at. But I wanted to add some antique finds and then also some more sentimental touches like pictures of us. So I really like that. We are going to prep for fall today. I am so excited. It's crazy to think that it's fall because it's getting ready to like be September, and again, because September is when I found out I was pregnant with her last year, and so it's really wild to me that a year has already been passed, and it's the concept of time is just crazy. And so while I'm excited for fall, it's just kind of bittersweet because that's when I found out I was pregnant, and now she's here and we know her name and her personality, and it's just so sweet. Okay, I changed up a few things already since my last decorating video, so I wanted to share because I just think this is my favorite way that I've decorated for fall, I think, ever. But I did a little 3 thing right here where I used some fall stems and I put it in this amber glass vase with, this is actually an espresso shot and cup. I put these pumpkin spoons from Hobby Lobby in here because these are like our espresso stirrers. We have honey and cinnamon in our espresso and lattes a lot, so I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. So I thought a cute way to display them was to put in this brown striped espresso cup, so I just sat it in front of there. And then I thought this was really cute too. I actually thrifted this frame maybe a month or 2 ago, and it had just been sitting in my hutch, and I was looking for the perfect place to find it. I really liked the silver and just the vintage details on it, and I found this silly picture of Remy with the pillows because she loves when I put out the cozy pillows, and I just sat it over here like this, and I feel like the silver kind of ties in with the Breville silver, and then there's a little bit of silver on these pumpkin spoons, and so I don't know, it just looked right, I guess is what I'm saying. And so I like the balance of just having the espresso machine, and then I have our little pumpkin canister with our cinnamon. So I keep that, I put that on top of the espresso machine, and I really like how it's minimal, but it's also still fall-like. Every morning for the past couple mornings, I've been lighting this candle while I make my morning coffee, and it has just been the most romanticized fall thing ever. Up here, I have a doily that I thrifted. Don't even remember when. And then I have this little squirrel acorn canister thing that I just think is so cute. I got this from an antique store last year, and so I put that up there with the doily underneath. I have these mugs that a friend actually got me for Christmas that I think are fall-like. And then I have this horse frame, and I usually keep that up like all year round, but I feel like it really gives fall vibes because of the colors. So I added in here. And then right here, I just have a gold little canister thing with some fall stems. These are pulling more yellow. But I thought it was really pretty to like match the yellow and the painting. And then right here I have my copper canisters that I have out all year long. I have used these ever since I've got them. I actually do put my coffee beans in here. I have this is tea, and I do have tea bags in here, sugar, and then flour, and I actually use those for that. So I thought, why not just put them over here on this little shelf? I just think it just ties everything together, in my opinion. So I really love how this is turning out. And then up at the top, I just kept it simple, and I put my teapot up at the top. And then I do have a monstera plant that I keep in my kitchen. And so I just put a bigger basket, and I actually put it on this side. And so that's what the top looks like for now. That's just how house decorating goes. I did mention a couple videos ago that we are getting ready to do a kitchen renovation. I started a couple weeks ago by painting the windowsill and the cabinets the same color. The cabinets used to be black, and I just got tired of the black. I don't know. When we first moved into this house, I just had a different style than what I do now, and I was just ready to switch it up. And I was just making excuses of, oh, I'll just wait and wait and wait. And I finally one day just went and bought the paint and started the project. And so I did that in literally 2 days, and we're just slowly but surely getting this project done. Anyways, I thought that I would update you guys on that little plan for renovation, just because I had mentioned it a couple weeks ago. So I thought I would update you on what we're doing and when we're doing it, because I am going to take you guys along for me for that. And I'm literally so excited. I love doing home projects because it just adds the coziness and charm, and I'm just so excited. This is one of the easiest recipes I think I've ever made in my life. It is chicken pot pie, and basically the ingredients are 2 crust packs, and you can get that from your local grocery store, with 1 to 2 cans of chicken, can of vegetables that have the potatoes in them. That is key to this recipe. Cream of chicken, 1 can of that, and Mrs. Dash seasoning, and you just mix it all together and pop it in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes, or to when the crust is brown. It is so good, and it's become one of our weekly favorite meals, especially the last couple weeks, because it's been a little cooler here in the Midwest in the mornings and in the evenings. And so I've been making chicken pot pie at least once a week, and it is so warm and so cozy and just easy too, which is my favorite kind of recipes. But I went to the stores, and TJ Maxx and HomeGoods actually had a lot of cute things. I remember last year thinking that they really only had a lot of like Halloween decor, but it seemed like this year they had a better selection for fall stuff. I didn't end up getting a whole lot at TJ Maxx and HomeGoods just because I feel like I am pretty satisfied with what I had. I was just going in there looking for a garland for Sage's room, and I love looking at their candles and their soaps. I always just love a good soap and candle from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then I was going in there to look for pillows for our bed, but also just more like decorative pillows too. Honestly, you can never pass up a good pumpkin candle. This one's pumpkin oak wood, and it's earthy oak and white pumpkin with notes of almond, cinnamon, and so it's really just cozy and warm and inviting. We are going to do our annual candle making class that we do every year, and so that's coming up this month. So I didn't go too crazy on the candles just because I knew I had that coming up, which I will take you guys along with, because that is one of my favorite activities that we do, is making candles from scratch. Next up on the list is this pumpkin praline hand soap. This smells like pecan and pumpkin together. Honestly, it smells like pumpkin and pecan pie. So good, so cozy, and I just always love a good fall hand wash. We go through hand wash so much, and so I always love to grab some seasonal hand wash when I'm there. This was my favorite find. I really haven't gone into like decorative pillows, especially in our room. I've kept it pretty simple ever since we had the renovation, and I saw this pillow and it's like the embroidered pillow, and I loved it. I loved the ruffles and the stripes. But we went into Walmart, and Walmart was surprisingly, all of their fall stuff was such good prices. They had so many options to choose from, and I honestly found so many things that I liked there. I feel like more than TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and I actually found a garland there that I'm really excited about. But before I show you the garland, I wanted to show you some fall themed PJs. These are so cute. They have horses on them, little Highland cows, bunnies, and then you can see like little apple trees. I feel like this is giving fall, but it's not like pumpkins, you know, so if you wanted to go like more neutral with fall, this is really cute. I just loved the pattern on this, and we actually live really close to Highland cattle, and we walk to see them almost every day with Remy, and so I just thought it was super cute. And these were only $11, which I thought was a great price for little sleepers, and they have that like bamboo feeling, and so they did have their fall sleepers out. So if you're wanting to find some sleepers for your baby, Walmart is the way to go. Lastly, this is for her dollhouse bookshelf. I'm wanting to decorate just little hints of fall and Christmas in her room. I remember being pregnant last year around this time and being so excited for the following, because I knew I was going to add little hints of fall and Christmas into her nursery. And obviously she's not old enough to really recognize it yet, but it's just fun for me, and I know I'll remember it. But this is the garland that I found at Walmart, and it was only $9. It was $10 after tax, but it is so cute. This is what it looks like up close. I love the lightness of the leaves. It's very like neutral fall decor in my opinion. And then it has the little pumpkins and the acorns. If you didn't like the pumpkins and the acorns, you could totally take those off and just use the leaves, but I like them. I think it's cute. So we're gonna put this on top of her dollhouse bookshelf, and I just loved how affordable it was, because the ones that I were seeing at TJ Maxx and Home Goods were like $20, and I just really didn't want to spend that much on a garland. Those are all the finds that I found the other day, and I'm just really happy with everything that I got. I feel like over the years I've collected and collected each year, and we're just slowly adding to the collection.